Hello guys, good day. Welcome to our next part in our learning session in AutoCAD. We are now on part 3 in learning session 4, which is entitled Editing Tools. Okay, so we are halfway in our modules or learning sessions in AutoCAD. Okay, so for now, we will go to our presentation. So we can continue. So we are now on offset tool. Okay. Uh, the offset tool is a tool which creates parallel copies of lines, polylines, circle, arcs, and so on. To create a parallel copy of an object, first you must define the offset distance and then select the object. Next, you must define the side in which the parallel copy will be placed. Okay. Okay, so we will go to our CAD application so that we can have a demonstration for this one. Okay, so let's create a drawing shown in this presentation using a polyline tool. Okay, so let's draw the polyline. First is you have to start a starting point. Then have 50. Okay. Next is we make an arc with has a radius of 25. Okay. This one. So okay. Next is 50. Okay. So no. Line. Let's try again. Okay. Line. Polyline. 50. Then arc. Then for this one, you can observe that the half circle, the diameter is 50 because the radius is 25. So if we multiply that one by 2, so the diameter is 50. Okay. Next is line, 50 again. Next is arc. Okay, then close this one. Close. Okay. Okay, so this is the object. Same with the presentation. Okay, so it has a radius of 25 and a line of 50. Next is we have to click home. then modify, then we have to offset. Okay, okay, so this one, or we can type O in the command line. O, then press enter. Okay, okay, so my computer is loading. Okay, next is we have to specify offset distance. So as per our presentation, it says 20. So we type 20, then enter. Okay, next is we select the object. Okay, then type 20 as an offset distance and press enter. Select the polyline loop. Okay, so this one, 20. Okay, so let's try. See, click outside the loop to create the parallel copy. Okay, so this is the figure. Next is we have to click home, then layer, layer properties, layer properties. Click this one. Then we create a new layer. This one. Enter center line in the name field. Okay, so center line. Okay. Click the set current icon. This one. Okay. Then click in the line type field of the current layer. The select line type dialog box appears. Okay, so this one, line type. Okay, so this one. On the select line type dialog, click the load button dialog box. Okay. Then select the center to line type from the center to. So this one, center to. Okay, so center to. Center to line type from this dialog box and click OK. This one, click OK. Then it will add to the line type options. Okay, so this is okay. Okay, so we select the center to line type from the select line type and click OK. Okay, so as you can observe, the line type now is center 2. Close the our layer properties manager. Then click the offset button on the modify panel. So we can type O here. Then press enter. Then select the layer. So this one, option from the command line. Then select the current option from the command. Okay, so current. This ensures that the offset entity will be created with the currently active layer properties. If you select the source option, the offset entity will be created with the properties of the source object. Okay, let's select current. Then we have to type 10 as the offset distance and press enter. Okay, select the outer loop of the drawing. So this one. Then move the pointer inwards. Okay, so as you can see, there's a broken line between the two lines. Okay, so that one. Okay, so this is the object that we need to make. Then, so it is the same now. Click on the layer drop down on the layer panel button of the ribbon. So this one. Select 0 from the drop down. Okay, so let's try. So this one, then we select 0. Okay, so that will make the current layer for this workspace. Okay, then create a circle of 12 mm diameter. Okay, so let's create a circle. So let's find the, so this one is the 12 mm diameter. So let's check the diameter. Then we have 12 mm. Okay, so that one, a circle is created like this one. Okay. Okay, so now we are on the path array tool. Okay, so the path array tool creates an array of objects along a path. So this is path, line, polyline, circle, helix, spline, and so on. Okay, so for this one, click home. So we are already on home. Then modify uh, array so we can follow that one because the command is very long. So let's say modify, then array, then we have path array. Okay, so select the circle, path array. Okay, then select the circle, then right click to accept the command. Select the center line as the path. Okay, so this one. Okay, so as you can observe, uh, many circles appear. Okay, then click the divide method on the properties panel. Now you must enter the number of items in the path array. Okay, so let's find the divide. The method is point, tangent, direction, two labels, align, the properties panel. So let's create. So divide this one. Okay, so it's already divided. Then select the measure method. You must enter the items in the path array. Okay. So let's try. Okay, so we select divide, so no problem. If we sure we have to input a certain number. Okay, so notice that the align items button is active when by default. Okay, so as a result, the items are aligned with the path. If you deactivate this button, the items will not be aligned with the path. Okay, so okay, okay, okay. So let's try to follow that this one. Be sure. Okay, sorry guys. My computer or my laptop experienced low battery, so I have to plug the wire for power supply. Okay, so next, so we have to the align sa akin. Okay, so this one, this is the align items. Okay, so okay, so I think there's problem with my laptop. Okay, okay, so I think it's okay. Okay, so next, okay, so let's check. Next is we have the rectangular array tool. Okay, so let's save this one. Save as. Okay, so set. Okay, so next we have the rectangular array tool. Okay, so the rectangular array tool creates an array of objects along the X and Y directions. Okay, so open a new AutoCAD file. Okay, so let's open. Okay, so then draw the skits below. Okay, so this one, we draw this one. So, see. Then you create a circle with a diameter of 50. create circle, a diameter, okay, okay, so let's reduce 10. Okay, so the circle has a diameter now of 50. Then we have this 80 by 90 rectangle, because in the presentation it has no dimension for the vertical line. Next is we have to fillet this one, mm, then reduce, then 10. Okay, so it's okay, reduce 10. Okay, so we have now the drawing same in the presentation. Next is we have to draw a circle of 10 mm diameter, concentric to the fillet. Okay, so this one, this is 10. So under 10, circle 10. So this is the 10. So diameter, okay, so this one. Next is we have to click home, then modify, then array, then rectangular array, the ribbon. Okay, click this one. Then select the small circle. Then right click. Okay, so a rectangular array will with default values appear. So this one. Then in addition, the array creation tab appears. Okay, so array creation tab. Okay, so set the columns count to 2 columns. Okay, 2. Okay, then we have rows 2, enter. Okay, set the between value in the columns panel to 60. So between close. Okay, so this is now our drawing, same as in the presentation. Okay, click close array. So let's close the array. Close array. Okay, so this is now the drawing. Okay, so let's save this one. Angular. Okay, so we have two examples. We have offset array and rectangular array. Okay, so this is saved already. Okay, so we will continue our learning session in LS4. We will continue to editing using grips. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.